Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Supabase projects using automated exports, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Supabase account. Navigate to the specific project you wish to backup. Once in your project dashboard, locate the database section on the left sidebar. Click on Backups under the database menu. Here, you will see an overview of your existing backups. To create automated exports, navigate to the Settings tab within your project. Select the Database option from the Settings menu. Scroll down to find the Automated Backups section. Ensure that the Automated Backups feature is enabled. Next, set the schedule for your automated backups. Choose the frequency that best suits your needs, such as daily or weekly. You can also select the time of day you want backups to occur. Once scheduled, confirm your settings to activate automated backups. Now, go back to the Backups section to monitor your backup status. You can view logs of recent backups to ensure everything is running smoothly. If needed, you can manually trigger a backup from this page. To export a specific backup, click on the desired backup in the list. Follow the prompts to download the backup file to your device. For further security, consider storing backup files in a different location. Review your backup strategy regularly to ensure it meets your project's needs. This concludes the guide on automating Supabase project backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.